See how plants and animals are dependent on each other. Here, it should be plants and living things are interdependent. But before this, we should keep it in mind that without the existence of these plants, animals, living things, there is no existence of human beings, we can say. So, without living things, without non living things, the man can't exist. Now we see how plants and animals are dependent on each other. Plants are depending on animals in some aspects that they take sometimes fresh air from us, and animals are depending on plants for their food, shelter, and for many things. We are depending on them. If you see human beings, we are depending more for our food on plants. Like this, both plants and animals are interdependent. Now we see another aspect. Here, children, you are seeing a boy is blowing a balloon. Um, what do you say about this balloon? The balloon is growing in its size when the boy is blowing. Can you say that balloon is a living thing? Even though it has a characteristic of living things like uh, growth, it is not a living thing because it don't need food, air, water, and also it doesn't have death. It don't respond to its surroundings. So that's why it is having only one characteristic of living things, that is growth, but not it is not same when compared to other characteristics. So we can say that a balloon is a non-living thing. Now about we see about dry leaves falling here. They fell on the ground. Now we see about dry leaves. Now you call these dry leaves as living or non-living things, children? What do you say about these leaves? These are dead leaves. If they are green, when they are to a plant, to a tree or plant, then we can say those are living things because they perform the important processes or functions like photosynthesis, respiration, like that. In your next classes, you are going to um, know about these processes. Because they are not able to perform some of the functions, we can call it as dead. So both balloon and dry leaves or fallen leaves comes under non-living things. So children, we have completed our first lesson, our surroundings. In the next session we will go for your second lesson. Up to that, be happy. Allah Hafiz.